The car battery warning light on your dashboard is one of the most misunderstood indicators in modern vehicles. Understanding what it actually means can save you time, money, and prevent roadside breakdowns. When you see the battery warning light illuminated on your dashboard, your first instinct might be to think there's a problem with your car's battery. However, this light primarily indicates a malfunction in the charging system, not necessarily the battery itself. There are three main types of battery warning lights, each indicating different levels of urgency. A red light signals immediate charging system failure requiring prompt attention. A yellow or amber light warns of potential charging issues that should be monitored. A flashing light indicates critical failure requiring you to stop driving immediately. The battery warning light often points to issues beyond just the battery's condition. Common causes include alternator failure or malfunction, faulty voltage regulators, damaged serpentine belts, corroded battery terminals, and wiring harness problems. Understanding these components helps you communicate effectively with mechanics. The serpentine belt is crucial for charging system operation. This single belt drives the alternator, which charges the battery while the engine runs. A damaged or loose belt can prevent the alternator from functioning properly, triggering the warning light even if the battery itself is healthy. In modern vehicles, the battery warning light serves as an early warning system for charging problems. Rather than assuming it's just a dead battery, approach it as a charging system diagnostic issue. This understanding can help you make better decisions about repairs and avoid unnecessary battery replacements. When your car's battery warning light illuminates, immediate action is required. The first step is to reduce electrical load on your vehicle's charging system. Turn off unnecessary electrical accessories like air conditioning, radio, heated seats, and lights that aren't essential for safety. This reduces the load on your failing charging system. Drive directly to the nearest service facility or auto parts store. Do not turn off your engine if possible, as you may not be able to restart it. Avoid jump starting without proper diagnosis, as this could mask the real problem. Professional diagnosis involves testing the charging system voltage. A healthy battery should show 12.6 volts or higher when the engine is off, and 13.8 to 14.4 volts when the engine is running. Watch as we simulate the voltage readings. When the engine is off, a healthy battery reads around 12.6 volts. When the engine starts and the alternator begins charging, the voltage should increase to between 13.8 and 14.4 volts. The most common causes of battery warning lights are alternator failure, faulty voltage regulators, and loose or corroded battery terminals. Let's examine each of these components. The alternator generates electricity to charge the battery and power electrical systems. When it fails, the battery warning light illuminates because the charging system cannot maintain proper voltage. Voltage regulators control the alternator's output to prevent overcharging. A faulty regulator can cause voltage fluctuations that trigger the warning light. Corroded or loose battery terminals create poor electrical connections, preventing proper charging and causing voltage drops that trigger the warning light. Preventive maintenance can help avoid battery warning light issues. Regular testing and inspection of key components will keep your charging system healthy. The serpentine belt drives the alternator and other accessories. Regular inspection ensures it hasn't cracked, frayed, or stretched, which could cause alternator failure and trigger the battery warning light. Following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will help you address battery warning light issues effectively and prevent future problems with your vehicle's charging system.